Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Today I'm standing in front of one of my personal favorites, 1970 Cyclone. This was a real 429 car, real 4-speed car, beautiful interior, rotisserie restored, but she's got a little upgrade, guys. There's a 429 Boss under the hood. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll get it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna take a look at that Boss motor. We're gonna take a look at the interior. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Cyclone investment. So come on up and let's fire this Boss up. Check this beauty out, man. This thing is amazing. Now, you guys that know Mercury's know they don't repop this spoiler, and that one looks brand new. Somebody found an NOS spoiler. That baby looks awesome. The chrome's new, the trim's new. The paint is phenomenal. That hood scoop is amazing. The hood fits real nice to the front fender, and the gap's nice and straight. That nose cap there on the front fender looks great. The magnums look awesome. The polyglass tires, and then the Cyclone Boss 429. Man, I love that. This door's fitting nice. Look at this door gem, man. Just like out of the factory. She looks brand spanking new. All the rubber looks great. Look down that great big old long quarter panel. Look how nice and straight she is. Just amazing. The emblem looks new. The back bumper looks awesome. The tail panel looks amazing. Got the spoiler back here. Look inside this trunk. Look how nice and clean everything is, and everything's nicely painted. Isn't that beautiful? Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. The lips look good. It's got the prop rod here because that wing's so heavy, but it actually stays up on its own. But you can add that prop rod. You may get a little wind, may blow this thing down if you're at a car show showing it off. Look down the side of it. Straight as can be. That door fits near perfect. The line is also, I'd just about call that line perfect. Look at these door lips here, beautiful. Latch was out, beautiful rubber, operates nice. Man, this car's cool. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are not a consignment dealer. That means we've spent the time and checked this car out before we bought it. We have 180 cars in stock, and we own each and every one of those cars. Now when they come to our shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now let's take a look at this Houndstooth interior. Check out that door panel, man. That is amazing. Got the Cyclone emblem there. The armrest looks great. The window crank looks awesome. The carpet looks new. The Houndstooth looks awesome. There's that 4-speed shifter in there, man. That's got me excited. Center console looks good. We got 3 seat belts in the back, so you can load the back seat up. Package tray looks good. Headliner looks great. It's got the shoulder belts up here. I was just at the drag strip with my car, and I put that shoulder belt on. We got the sun visors look good. Look at that Cyclone dash over there, man. Isn't that amazing? Just beautiful. Love this car. All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. All right, let's go for a ride in the Cyclone. I tell you what, I've got a special place in my heart for this baby. My dad's had a few Cyclones. I've had a few Cyclones. I got a Cyclone now. And man, is this one cool. This one's got a Boss 429 in it, and it's a 4-speed. This is the ultimate Cyclone right here. Man, this thing is amazing. Rotisserie restored, beautiful motor, beautiful restoration, little piece of history right here. And I tell you, this motor is making some power. That was about a quarter throttle. She just wants to get up on the track and run. Now look down here on the dash. We got the speedo working. I got all my Cyclone gauges on the dash like this. That's, I believe they only did that in the Cyclones. The tack is working. Trans feels great. And I tell you what, the accelerator feels real good. Now we can ship this Cyclone anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now the guys answer the phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So if you do catch their message, make sure you leave them a message. They will return your call. Sorry guys, I'm getting too much of a kick out of driving this thing to talk. And you better hurry up and buy this, because I tell you what, I'm thinking about keeping it. I've had a lot of cars like that lately, but there's a special place in my heart for this one. Listen to this baby. She just broke the tires loose and I was running about 50. Man, this thing's a beast. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're right outside the Motor City. So if you come into town on business or something, or you want to come check this car out, we're only 20 minutes from the airport. If you want to send a third-party inspector, send them all out. I'd love to show them this car. Now here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So make sure you stick around, because we're going to put this baby up on the lift so you can see how beautiful the underside is, and you can bet we're going to check out that Boss motor under the hood. All right, we're underneath my new favorite car here. This 70 Cyclone is amazing. They said this car came from out west, and I believe them. It was a low mileage car to start, and it's been rotisserie restored. She's gorgeous. You can see she's got a new tank. She's got a 3-inch exhaust that's been all TIG welded together, fit up in there. Actually, you can't call this an exhaust. This is more like stacks. Looks like a semi-truck, they're so big. Drop downs look original, trunk floor looks original, frame looks original, and she's beautiful. This big old Ford 9-inch here. Now, the previous owner told us it had a 391 in it. I just rolled it over. It's like right at a 4. It's somewhere in the 391, 4 range. Mufflers look amazing. They high performance mufflers here. They look like they may be stainless. It is amazing. They look great. The floors look great. The frame looks great up here. Now the drum brakes, the guys will pull those apart, make sure that the wheel cylinders aren't leaking and all the springs are installed correctly. All the tin work under here is beautiful. I don't see any corrosion, nothing. The pinch wells look great. Now you guys know on these Cyclones and Trinos and that, everybody thinks it's frame, so they jack up on this stuff, and normally these are all bent to hell, and these are nice and straight. They look great. The floorboards look great up here. And take a look at these long tube headers, and those things are gigantic. That's letting that Boss 429 breathe up there. The Toploader trans is fantastic. We're gonna have pictures of the part number, will be on our ad. We've got disc brakes up front. Of course, the ball joints are all new. The upper control arms are new. Lower control arms are new. All the steering is new. Everything is amazing under this car. Now, this spoiler up front, this is what the spoilers had on them. And they don't reproduce these. And this looks like an NOS piece. It looks like it's brand spanking new. Matter of fact, I think we may take it off and put it in the trunk right now, because I'm afraid we might break it. But this is an amazing piece of history right here. And of course, the chrome on the front bumper looks new. The core support looks new. It's an amazing car. Can you tell I like it? Let's look at the wheels and tires. All right, we got some awesome looking Magnums with the Mercury center caps. Of course, we've got Goodyears. These polyglass look great. Inner wheelhouses look great. The wheel lip molding looks great. And of course, on all these cars, I check out the back sides of the front fenders. This thing is smooth as can be. Let's look at the rear. Back here, again, same size. We got 6015s, same good looking rims, same good looking center caps. Wheel houses in here, they look brand new. Always check the wheel lips. Of course, this one feels like it's brand spanking new. Now, my cameraman helped me out with this. This is actually called Accelerator. They spelled it XL, had me stumped. And then the rear end does have the nodular, so it is a nodular 9-inch. And like I said, somewhere in the 391 to 40 range. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that Boss 429. All right, we're under the hood here, and if this car isn't cool enough, look what's under the hood. Boss 429, guys. This thing is amazing. She's got the D-port NASCAR heads on her, and swing around here. See that SK number? That's an experimental NASCAR intake that they were using. Amazing. Everything about this car is just off the hook, guys. I mean, we got Autolite hoses on it. We've got a cool distributor in it. It's got the Hunt distributor in it. Power brakes, power steering. All the wiring looks good. Paint on the bottom side of the hood looks good. She sounds amazing. She drives awesome. And she's, I think it was said 623 horse. And it's got every bit of that, because when you saw me driving it, we were running about 50 miles an hour and it broke the tires loose. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're gonna give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.